Hello guys, what's up? Today I came to talk about a supplement that is helping men and women around the world, and surely it will help you too. The name of this supplement is Glucotrust, and I will explain in this video what it does. Well, Glucotrust was developed to get your blood sugar levels healthy and to help you lose weight as well. Studies show that these two problems are connected. Glucotrust is 100% natural trick to lower blood sugar. Brand new way to lower blood sugar naturally, it's genius. It only takes 30 seconds or less, but when you do this one tiny thing before you sleep, it activates your metabolism, forcing your body to melt away fat and extra pounds overnight, helping to lower your blood sugar to healthy levels, and giving you the most peaceful, rejuvenating sleep you've had in years so that you wake up overflowing with energy. Use this ancient, natural bedtime ritual for healthy blood sugar and a flat tummy. You will shake your head in amazement when you see the results. In a study, a whopping 93% of the test subjects saw their blood sugar go down to near perfect levels in less than 6 weeks. Glucotrust can also help to reverse type 2 diabetes, or prevent you from ever falling into the diabetes trap. And at the same time, this easy 30-second ritual ignites your metabolism to melt away fat and extra pounds, while helping to eliminate food cravings so that you stop thinking about eating. This makes losing a weight so much easier. The best part is, when you do this one tiny thing before bed, you get all of these benefits, and more, while you sleep. I am sure you will be very pleased to get your Glucotrust from the link in the first comment. You will not regret it. I hope to hear your success story soon. See you in more videos.